Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing Canon cameras for all you photography enthusiasts out there. We have the Canon EOS R6 and the Canon EOS R50 content creator kit. So let's dive in and see which camera suits your needs the best. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. When it comes to image quality, both the Canon EOS R6 and the Canon EOS R50 deliver exceptional results. The EOS R6 features a new 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, offering high resolution and stunning details. On the other hand, the EOS R50 comes with a 24.2-megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, which delivers outstanding image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or wildlife, both cameras will impress you with their image quality. If you're into videography, both cameras have a lot to offer. The Canon EOS R6 supports 4K UHD 2160p video capture, allowing you to record stunning videos with incredible clarity. It also offers high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 FPS, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit gives you the flexibility of 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS. Additionally, it offers full HD high frame rate movie recording at up to 120 FPS. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or content creator, both cameras are excellent choices for capturing breathtaking videos. When it comes to autofocus performance, both cameras excel in their own ways. The Canon EOS R6 boasts a dual-pixel CMOS AF system covering approximately 100% of the frame, with an impressive 1,053 AF areas. It also has subject tracking of people and animals using deep learning technology, ensuring sharp focus on your subjects. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit features dual-pixel CMOS AFE with up to 651 AF zones and auto-subject detection and tracking. Whether you're shooting action-packed scenes or capturing candid moments, both cameras offer reliable and fast autofocus performance. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS R6 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras are incredible tools for photographers and videographers alike. The Canon EOS R6 provides high image quality, impressive video capabilities, and advanced autofocus performance, making it suitable for professionals and enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers a compact and lightweight option with excellent video capabilities and a versatile autofocus system, perfect for content creators on the go. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting camera reviews and comparisons. Until next time, happy shooting!